So here how to ask data from user, right? So first let's type our number 1, but we don't need to declare this because Python we don't need to declare variables the way we were doing in the other one. So let's go directly, and num1 will be equal to the input that we're gonna ask from user, right? So type a number. So we have asked the user to type a number, and this input it will get the data from here from the command prompt, and let's later just print num1 just to see that is working. So let's type a number, and then I type 1 and it print 1. Okay, also let's check. As you remember in the last video that the type here we put type, so we want to know the type of this variable. See what is the type, because Python we are not saying that this is an integer. So let's see how it works. So type a number 1 is a string, so it's a string, it doesn't, we need an integer. So for that we're gonna use this conversion, easy in Python. Just we put integer, and inside the integer we assign the variable. So for that I will make it easier for you to understand. So I will put temporal variable that will be a string equal to the input, right? And then I will convert it to integer. So let's see now what is the result. So type about number 12, and now it's an integer. So this is how we're gonna work here to get data and convert it to integer. So this is just a temporal variable to get the string, then we're gonna assign that string to number 1. Okay, so let's take off this one because we don't need it. So now we are here, number 1, we create the value. Then again we need this one to type the second one, and we get this second line, but this will be num2, right? Here another stuff we can do is we can take off this one and put it in a print. So print, type a number, and you will see that it works almost the same way we want, right? But this one have a line, and this one is in the same line. So in this case we can do this one also here, because it will help us to show it more beautiful, or to make it easier to understand in the command prompt, right? Then we have 2 numbers already. Now we want the result equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2, and we want to print here the result is, then we concatenate result, and let's see how it works. Okay, type a number 10, 2 equals 20. So what is the error? Saying that line 9 is not possible to concatenate in this way. So it's telling us that we cannot concatenate integer with the string, right? You see that's the error. So the easy solution is to print result afterward, right? So here we don't need this semicolon here. Type 12 1 result equal 12. Let me try this. I want to see something why we were failing here. Okay, this is good. Okay, 12 3. Yeah, we cannot concatenate with this symbol here, so let's keep it this way now for now. Later on we will show you more about how to use the print Okay, 36, so it's working.